Filmora versus Adobe Premiere Pro video editors. Choosing the right video editor can completely change how you create professional videos without overwhelming complexity. Both Filmora and Premiere Pro offer powerful tools, but differ in ease of use and features. Filmora and Adobe Premiere Pro are two leading video editing software options. Filmora focuses on user-friendly, accessible editing, while Premiere Pro offers advanced industry-standard capabilities. The core difference lies in Filmora's simplicity versus Premiere Pro's depth and customization. Filmora is a video editor designed for creators who want quick, polished results without a steep learning curve. It works by offering an intuitive drag-and-drop interface combined with a broad library of effects, transitions, and templates. Users can easily trim clips, add text, and apply filters with minimal setup. Filmora's strengths include ease of use, affordable pricing, and fast rendering times, making it ideal for beginners and casual content creators. However, it has limitations in advanced color grading, multi-camera editing, and precision controls compared to professional-grade software. Filmora suits bloggers, social media creators, and small businesses looking to produce quality videos efficiently without the complexity of professional editing suites. Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional video editing software used widely in film, TV, and digital media production. It operates with a comprehensive timeline-based interface that supports multi-track editing, advanced color correction, and integration with Adobe's Creative Cloud apps. Premiere Pro's strengths lie in its powerful editing tools, flexibility, and support for high-resolution formats and complex workflows. It allows precise control over audio, effects, and transitions, making it the choice for experienced editors and studios. The main limitations are its steep learning curve and high subscription costs. Premiere Pro is ideal for professionals and serious hobbyists who demand full creative control and are ready to invest time mastering the software. Comparing Filmora and Premiere Pro highlights clear trade-offs. Filmora excels in simplicity and speed, perfect for quick edits and straightforward projects without technical hurdles. Premiere Pro, on the other hand, offers unmatched depth and customization, suitable for complex productions requiring detailed adjustments. For example, a YouTuber needing fast content creation will appreciate Filmora's easy interface, while a filmmaker working on a short film benefits from Premiere Pro's advanced color grading and audio tools. Filmora's affordability contrasts with Premiere Pro's subscription model, which may be costly but delivers professional-grade features. Ultimately, the choice depends on your editing needs, skill level, and project complexity. Choose Filmora if you want an accessible, cost-effective video editor that delivers quality results quickly without overwhelming technical details. Opt for Adobe Premiere Pro if you require professional-level editing tools and full creative flexibility, and you're willing to invest time learning the software. Both editors serve different needs, so pick the one that aligns best with your video production goals.